Hello and welcome to this screencast. Today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of information about the Language and Education Grades tab in the online app. So that's going to cover searching for grades and ticking them in use, and just giving you a brief overview of what the in-use flag does. So the first thing we're going to need to do is to log into the SITS Online system. So you can either do that through SITS Client, or you can do it as I'm doing here by going from the intranet homepage and going from the SITS Online tab. So we'll just log in real quick. And then once that's logged in, go to the plus and select the Paperlike Application Processing option. From the options we're presented with, we want the Online Application tab. And then in the tabs that open here, we want the Language and Education Grades tab. Now just wait for that to load. So as you can see, now that that's loaded, we've got 3 columns: result code, subject grade conversion, and in use. Now the result code, as you can probably tell, is a list of all the potential grades that can be achieved. And the subject grade conversion is a list of all the potential qualifications they can be achieved within. Now these entries are used, I'll just swap back over to our example application form here and go to the Language and Education tab. So the grades we saw are used, if we just scroll down slightly, under this result field under the Education section. So if we open that up, you can see a long list of all the potential grades that can be achieved. Now if we swap back to the online application options, the in-use flag defines whether the grade appears in that list I just showed you. So as you can see, most are not ticked, and that's fine. But if you do need to add in a new grade, it'd be a simple case of ticking one of these boxes, scrolling to the bottom, and clicking Store. The preview option gives you an example of the list that you'd be able to see in the online application. So you'd be able to just test out if it has been added to the list. Now one of the features of this is we can use this search box here to filter our results. So say we wanted to add all grades for BTECs. We can simply type in BTEC in this box, and as you can see, it does a live search and brings up everything with BTEC in the title. We could then go through and tick all these options, store, and that would add them to the list to be used in the online application. There's also a search function built into the result box. So as I showed you earlier, that's quite a long list of results. So if we want to, we can start to type in grades and it will filter our list down to find our results that we can pick from. And that's it really. So hopefully you'll now have a bit of an understanding of how to search for and add in grades so that users filling in the online application can select from those. And I'll see you on another screencast soon.